How to create a new Gmail account on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you want to create another Google account for Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, or the Play services you use across devices, this video will guide you step by step. First, open the Gmail app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Now, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap Add Another Account. You'll now see the Setup Email screen. Here, tap on Google. A pop-up will appear saying Gmail wants to use google.com to sign in. Simply tap Continue. The Google sign-in page will now open. Since we're creating a brand new Gmail account, tap Create Account in the bottom left corner. Next, choose For My Personal Use. Now you'll see the Create a Google Account page. Enter your first name, and if you want, enter your surname. The surname is optional. After entering your details, tap Next. Enter your date of birth, select your gender, tap Next. Choose a suggested Gmail address or create your own unique Gmail address. Tap Next. Create a strong password and confirm it. Add a phone number if Google asks for verification. Finally, review Google's privacy and terms, then tap I agree. That's it. Your new Gmail account has now been created successfully and will automatically be added to the Gmail app on your iPhone 8 Plus. You can also use this same Google account to sign into YouTube, Google Drive, Google Photos, Google Maps, and other Google apps. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more iPhone 8 Plus tutorials. Thanks for watching.